Y'all, look at what my mom found for me at the Dollar Tree. Can y'all believe this? She found little mini super bright desk lamps. How cute is this little box? So she got me 2 of them, and I am really curious on how bright they get. I'm gonna try to open it up. So I'm using one hand here. You do need batteries for them. But I thought this would be really cute for when, like, we're doing our nails. Perfect little size to put on the table. So it says you need 3 AA batteries, which I think I have. But look at how freaking adorable. So, like, if you're just sitting at a table doing your nails, this is perfect. It has the flexible gooseneck, and it gets really tall. So you can put it up, down, over. Oh my gosh, these are too cute. I cannot believe she found these at the dollar store. This was a really good find. This is a perfect find for us nail people, you know, because we always need that extra light. I'm gonna get some batteries and put it in here, and let's see how bright it gets. All right, you guys, so I put batteries in here. You just open it up right here. It has a little screw thing here, but there's no screw in it, so you just pop it open. It takes 3 AA batteries, so I put 3 Energizer batteries in it. I haven't turned it on yet. I was gonna wait to turn it on camera. This is how it looks where the light comes on at. So it's a full light here. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on, but I don't know if it's gonna show the brightness. I turned my lights out, but I wasn't thinking that about my flash being on. So I might turn the flash off so we can you know, really get a good look at it. But I'll turn it on. Whoa, that is bright, y'all. It is bright. Wow. Let me turn my flash off. So this is with my flash off. Lift it back up. I'm sorry if I'm blinding y'all, but I want you guys to really get a good look at it. So this is my nails under it. Like, that's really some good light because it's dark. This is it lighting up this space here. I don't have my flash on, so it's lighting up this space from here. So it's really nice and bright, y'all. Wow. That is not bad at all for $1.25, and it's really cute. So she got me, like I said, 2 of them, which is great. If I want to put one on this side and one on this side when I'm doing my nails, I'll have plenty of light, or for when I'm filming, if I want to lift it up, give myself some more light or something like that. I mean, it can work for many things. You can put it in, you know, your bathroom or your computer desk, you know what I'm saying? Just, it can go really anywhere. Your nightstand next to your bed, stuff like that. Yeah, they're super cute. So if you guys are looking for them, they are the Super Bright. I'm gonna hold it over here so we can read it. The Super Bright Desk Lamp LED. And they're in the section where you guys would find like the cell phone products and light bulbs and things like that, is where she found it. It may be in a different place at your Dollar Tree, so I would just look down every single aisle until you find it if you guys want to pick it up. So yeah, that's it, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you are new watching today, please consider subscribing and clicking that like button. It will help me out so much, and I will see you guys in the next video.